Hi, I'm Sid Hamid, founder of Brickfront Properties and Construction and the DMV Probate Experts. If you've recently inherited a property in the DMV area and are wondering if you need to clean it out before selling, you're not alone. This is a common question, and today I'm here to give you some guidance. Inheriting a property can be overwhelming. With so many decisions to make, the thought of clearing out a house full of items from a loved one can feel daunting. You might be wondering, do I really need to clean everything out before selling this inherited property? Let's explore that. Here's the simple answer. No, you don't always need to clean out an inherited property before selling. At DMV Probate Experts, we buy homes as is, which means we can take the property off your hands in its current condition, saving you time, money, and stress. Many homeowners worry about the cost and effort involved in a clean out, especially if the property hasn't been lived in for a while. In some cases, the cost of a deep clean, repairs, or a full clear out can add up quickly. At DMV Probate Experts, we eliminate that hassle by purchasing your home as is, no matter its condition. We know that inherited properties often come with emotional ties. Our team is prepared to handle everything, allowing you to focus on what matters most to you. Whether there's clutter, furniture, or repairs that need attention, leave it to us. Our goal is to make the selling process as simple and seamless as possible for you. One of the biggest benefits of working with us is that we're local experts in the DMV area. We understand the probate process here, the challenges that come with inherited properties, and we're ready to provide you with a fair, competitive offer. Our team is experienced in handling all kinds of inherited homes across Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Northern Virginia. So if you're wondering, do I need to clean out my inherited home before selling? The answer is, not with DMV Probate Experts. We're here to take care of everything and buy your property as is, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Visit us at dmvprobateexperts.com or give us a call today to learn more. Remember, we're here to help you make the best decision for your inherited property, and we're prepared to make the entire process easy and stress-free. At DMV Probate Experts, a subsidiary of Brickfront Properties and Construction, we're committed to serving the DMV community with integrity and expertise.